Hi, this is Art with OCRV in Anaheim, soon to relocate to Yorba Linda next week. So this will probably be one of our last videos in this old paint booth. So hey, this is a 2005 Bounder, and we have installed an outdoor TV box. So the guys have color matched the base coat and put the base color down, and now they're getting ready to match up the graphics and paint the graphics on and clear coat this so it will match the motorhome perfect. So it's going to have a 40-inch LCD flat screen TV in there with some video. It'll have a single DIN DVD player with a set of speakers, so a little nice outdoor entertainment system. So anything motorhome service, refit, body paint, collision, we're here to help. Look forward to meeting everybody at our new location in Yorba Linda.